Rule number 14. The vocative case is used for direct address. In the English sentence, boy, pour me more wine, the role of the word boy is merely to show who I'm talking to, or who I'm directly addressing. Or in this question, Marcus, what are you doing? Marcus is the man I'm talking to. And this even works for statements like, Claudia, this poem is awesome. Oh, we must be reading Catullus. These nouns aren't the subject or object of the verb, nor are they in a prepositional phrase. Instead, they are the noun of direct address, and so we put them in the vocative case. For most declensions, the form of the vocative case is identical to the nominative. Here are those identical endings. It's only in the second declension singular that we have specific rules about the vocative endings. And while I've explored this in greater depth in a separate video, check that out. Here's the quick and dirty. The vocative of us words like Brutus is an e, brute, and the vocative of ius words, especially names like Sempronius, is an e, a long I, Semproni. The poems of Martial are a good source of vocatives, like in this famous poem, Non amo te, Sabidi, nec possum dicere quare, hoc tantum possum dicere non amo te. I don't love you, Sabidius, and I can't say why. Only this can I say, I do not love you. Sabidi here is vocative for Sabidius. And there's this one. Quid mihi reddat ager quae ris line nomentanus? Hoc mihi reddit ager, te line non video. You ask what my farm in nomentum gives me, Linus? The farm gives me this, Linus. I do not see you there. Linne is vocative for Linus. But don't forget that many words in the vocative look just like their nominative forms, as in this poem. Dicis formosam dicis te bassa puellam, istud quae non est dicere bassa solet. You say, yes, you do say, that you are a beautiful girl, Bassa. She who usually says that, Bassa, definitely is not. Bassa is vocative. It's a first declension noun, so it looks just like the nominative form. I have a couple more notes on this. Sometimes the nominative is used instead of the vocative when we're dealing with a noun that's in apposition to the subject of an imperative. So, audi tu, populus albanus. You, people of Alba, listen, where populus is nominative, not vocative, since it's in apposition with the nominative tu. Sometimes in poetry, with a second-person verb, the vocative of an adjective will be used instead of a nominative. Virgil writes, Quo moritore ruis? Where are you, who is going to die, hurrying off to? Moritore is vocative with the second person ruis. And finally, we have this great phrase, macte, sometimes expanded to macte virtute, or even with an esto. It's commonly translated as bravo, but it's technically a vocative of mactos. So this phrase is literally, be honored with your valor. I like bravo. Virgil has this, macte nova virtute puer, bravo boy with your newfound excellence. This is Apollo addressing Ascanius in Book 9 of the Aeneid. So, rule number 14, the vocative case is used for direct address.